Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I will show you everything you need to know about Shopify, how to build your first Shopify store. So if you are selling a physical or a service product or doing drop shipping, Shopify is the right platform for you. First things first, we have to go and search for Shopify. And here we are. We will have a 14 days trial, so we'll start with adding our email address. Here it's asking us about password and your surname. Before this step, I would like to go and choose my domain name or my business name. I have chosen already the niche that I'm going to work on. There are plenty of websites that you can use, like for example Shopify domain name generator. Yes, so we can use my niche will be about camping. So let's do it. Search about camping. Okay, there are plenty. We have here different websites. It gives us different choices. Okay, we can use this one. Villa Camping is a good one. Let's search again. There is another website that you can search. Use is Lane. I think Lane domain. Search. This one is a good one. I use it most of the time. It's a domain name generator. Let's type camping and search again. Okay, so here we have different choices. Okay. I like this one. This one is good too. I like this one, so I will go with this one. Sports camping. The domain name is still available, so you can go and buy it. If you want to buy a domain name, I like to use Namesilo. Just go to namesilo.com and search for the domain name that you want to buy. Then the price is cheaper. It's $8 US. I can buy it right now with almost $9. So we did choose our domain name. So we'll come back to Shopify and let's do it. Oh, this one is already taken by someone, so I will make let's choose DB. Okay, this one is still available, the one I saw in the beginning. Yeah, this one is available, DB camping. So guys, this one is just for demo, so I'm just trying to explain how to go and create your own store. So I will go with this one, DB camping, and let's do it. So this is our store, and this is our link, dbcamping.myshopify.com, and later we will go and buy our domain name here in name silo. So let's go here back to Shopify. There are some questions here that you have to answer. I'm not selling any products yet. 0. My niche is camping, it's outdoor. So let's search about it here. Don't see it here, so other. Okay, so here you can add your address. So I will just go and add my first and last name, and add address, and this is optional. This is also okay. We have to take a phone number. Okay, and that's it. We'll go now to our Shopify store. Okay, here we are. So this is our Shopify store. So if we click here, we will go directly to our Shopify landing page, the home page, and this is how it looks right now. We'll start first here by adding our first products. Here we have different things in Shopify. Here in the header we have the name of your Shopify store, and in the right side you see your name here, and also you can go to the billing section and your information. In the left sidebar here we will have the main areas. We will have here home, orders, products. Here in products you will you can add your own products, collections, which are categories. You can see your customers. After you make your first sale, you will start seeing customers here. Analytic about your store, how you are doing with your products. Marketing, there are some applications from Shopify here that you can use. They are free to market your product, your Shopify store. And here, of course, discount, if you want to generate some discount coupons to give to your clients. In apps, we'll go also and have a look at apps. We'll see different apps, free apps and paid apps, of course. And these apps are something that you are going to use in order to complete your Shopify store. In online store, we'll see different things. Here we will work a lot on here on online store. We will work on how to add your own templates, and how to manage your to add your domain name, etc. In this setting here is a different area at the bottom here on the left side. Here we will see how to add your billing information, how to add the shipping, etc. So let's start first by adding some products, then we are going back to the other thing here. So first we're going to add products, but before going here and adding new products, you have to go and add collection. So what are collection? Collection are the categories of your website. So as I said from the beginning, this website is about camping niche. So it is a niche store about camping outdoor activities. So I'm going here to create some collections. I have prepared already some collections here about this store. So I will go and start by adding all this collection or categories. You can call them categories, but in Shopify we know them as collections. So this is my first collection or category, and it is manual instead of automated. So manual, I will add products myself. I don't like Shopify to add them for me as automatic. Here, if you have an image, you can add it. I suggest that you go and add some images for your collections. So first I added that one. Second, I will go and add description for my collection. So this is how it works, and you can go and edit the website's SEO for the SEO purposes in order to work on your website's SEO. So let's save this one. I will create another one, create another collection. My other collections are, I have here 6, so I will go the 6 collections here one by one manual, and I suggest to go and add here some description like I did for the first one. So go and save. I will add the second one, so the third one, and of course let's add another ones here. And the last one, which are best sellers. Okay, for this one I think I'm going to use automated one instead of, I will use maybe some tags here. Okay, let's do it at the beginner manual, then we can figure out later how to use it, how to add the best sellers. Okay, so I have here almost 6 collections here. I added 1, 2, 3, I think it's 6. So now we are going back to our products here, products, and we're going to start adding our first products. So I have prepared already some products here in camping niche. So I will add the title, then I have here the collection or the category, which is this one, tents and shelters. So I'm going to select the category here. What is it? Yeah. By the way, this is the collection we did add before we came to add products. So later, what we have here, we have price and we have description. Price is 458. Description. Okay, so we have here, we have to organize this one here. This store is for demo purpose, so I'm not going to work a lot on adding text or adding or doing some corrections, but you have to go and work on that. So we did add the title, description, and here product type. This one is a tent, and vendor is our website, which is DB Camping. Okay, we can add some tags. So here we are. Add this one also. Tags is like keywords. It's the same, it's playing the same role like keywords, so you have to work on that. Okay, so now we are going to add some images. I have prepared already some images for me here, so I'm going to upload some images for this product. I have here a folder for images. Okay, I have prepared this folder to add images to my product. So I have this one in what collection, tent, and this is the products, and these are the images I have here. Okay, so let's come back to our product file. Okay, so I have a description. The price is 458. Okay, 458.95, and this was, let's say, it was 749.95. Okay, so you can add SKU if you want. I prefer to add SKU for the product. Okay, so I have, let's say you have 100 items of this product, so you can track your quantity. If you are the one a drop shipping store, so you have to unselect this one and keep it like this. But in this case, if you have the stock, if you have 100 items in your warehouse, I prefer to add 100. I prefer to add quantity, the exact quantity that you have. Okay, this one is 1.5 kilograms. Okay, let's save this information. Let's come back to variants, because this one we have two variants, two different items in the same one. So the size, we have size for 4 persons and size for 6 persons. So in order to add variants, you have to come here in this area, select this one, and here we have size, and we have this one here, and we have the other one which is 6 persons, and here we are. Then let's say we have 90 items of 6 persons, and we will save, and I will come back to add images, because here we don't have images yet. So for 6, let's say for 6 persons, we have this one here. So I will update the image by add image here. So I will add this one for 6 persons, and I will add this one for 4 persons. Then I will save. Let's preview and see how it looks right now. Okay, perfect. So we have the title, we have the size, we have here auto card, and we have the pictures here are in the left side. Let's add other products quickly. So we'll go and set up our store. I have another product here. It is the same in the same category, and I have here description. I will not go and verify the description here, because this is just a demo store. So let's go and select the same category here, the same vendor, which is DB camping, and this word it's the same. Let's add it here. Tags, you can add tags here. You can add as more as you can here, as you want for the tags. I prefer to add 10 tags as the minimum when you have a product that people are looking for this product. Okay, so what is the price for this one here? I have 479.95, and the actual product is 595. Okay, I have, let's say I have 45 items in our warehouse here. This is for the SKU. SKU like this, and let's say you have 45 quantity, and this one is 1.5 also. Let's save. We don't have variant here, but I will add pictures for this one here, then it's done. Okay, so this is the product. You can add it here, and that's it. That's how it works. So it's saved. You can go and preview the product here, and here we go. Here we have the second products. Okay, let's come back and add more products. We have 2 products here, and I have another 2 or 3. Let's add another 2 products, then we can go and finish our store. This is outdoor and 449. Here we have outdoor and cooking 459.95, and we have this one SKU number you can add, and we have 12 quantity. This one is washing grill, and we can add another. Okay, let's add this one here, and we come back and add the grill. Okay. Okay, that's it. So let's add pictures. We have outdoor. Okay, so we have this one here. Let's add the pictures. Here we are. Okay, this is a nice picture. We will leave this. So if you want to move this picture, just take this picture like this, and that's it. So I choose this one. Okay, that's it, and save. There's another thing that you have to take care of. It is the SEO. If you are working for the SEO of the website, you have to add the alt text here. So you have to add the text here of the product that you are selling. Let's say you want to add a keyword like this. Save, and that's it. So you have to do it for every picture that you have here for the SEO purpose. And also, if you want to work on the SEO, you have to edit your website SEO for this one. Save. Let's add another product here, second one here. Okay, where we are, we have camping furniture. Let's add this one, then camping furniture. You can also add pictures here if you want by just selecting insert image here, and you can add product image like this, or you can upload the image. Okay, so we have here the price is $79.95, and let's add SKU number for these products. If you are doing drop shipping, as I said, you don't need to add SKU or tracking quantity. Okay, the vendor is the same, and this one is L. Okay, you can add tags here as much as you can. Okay, so we have this one. We need just to add pictures, so let's add the pictures for these products. So we have this one here, and I have the products pictures here. Okay, nice picture. So it's saved. Let's add new products, before the last one, which is this one here, and camp furniture is the okay, this one here, camp furniture. Let's do it here. As I said, you can take care of this description later if you are going live with your store. So this one is camp chair 4K. So okay, and you can add as many as you can here. What is the price for this one? It should be 21.95. It was 29.95, and the SQ is H5, and let's say we have 20 of this one here. Let's save. Then I will go and search for pictures from this one. Okay, where I am, yeah, I have it here. Let's come back. Okay, I have variants here, which is green, red, and blue, and let's do it. I have different colors, green, red, and blue. Okay, I have variants, which is color, green, red, and blue, the last one. Okay, let's save. Let's say I have 10 here, then I have 30 items from this one here, so I will need to search for green picture here. For red picture, I don't have it here, so I will check this one. You can replace it later. And for blue is this one here. Save. There is another thing that you can do with Shopify here, is that you can, if you don't like this, you can go and take care of this one here. As you see, I can clear everything here if you want. Then just come back and done and save. You don't need to go and use Photoshop for that. Okay, so let's go to products right now. I have 5 products, and I have I don't know if I choose the collection for this one, for the last one. Yeah, I did. So now we did the collection, we did add the collection, and we added the products. The next step is to go and play a little bit on customization and on the menu. Before I go here to my to customize to choose the theme or the template that I want, I will go to navigation and create my main menu here. So you can create your menu here. You can add a specific menu if you want by clicking just add menu here and name it here, and you start adding here your items. Here we have to, it's automatically came by Shopify. I will add this, work on this one, it's already exists here. So remove this one, home page. I will add another collection here to the menu. So I will add outdoor cooking first, then let's add another one here. Let's add what else, tent and shelter. I prefer to make it like this with lowercase. Okay, add, let's outdoor cooking. And what else? Let's do add another one. Camp furniture. Okay, camp. Do we have this? We have another one. We did add outdoor. Yeah, we need to add bags. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. We need another one, I think, which is this one. Survival kits. And navigation. And that's it for now. We'll see the menu how it looks. Then okay, outdoor server kits. Okay, let's do it like this for now. So now I will go and come back to the theme, and I will start customizing. Actually, I will go and choose another one. This is the template came by default, which is debut, but you can choose another free template. And if you buy a template outside of Shopify, you can just come here and upload the theme. Then you can start working on the template. I will explore some free themes that we have here by Shopify. Since I am working on outdoor niche, outdoor store, I will go with this one. It looks good for outdoors, like this one, outdoor. Let's choose this one and work on it. So I add it to my library. Then I will just, as soon as it is imported here, I will go and publish the theme, so it will replace this one here. So let's do it right now. Publish. It will replace the default one. Publish. Okay, so let's customize our theme. By default, we will see the home page, and we can see here at the top in the header, we can see the desktop as we are looking here, and we can see the mobile screen. This is how it looks at the mobile. Okay, let's go back to the desktop. So this is the menu that we specified before, and we can change it if you want. You can just go to the header here and you can change it. By default here, the main menu is the one that we did add before we came here. We can add here another. This template came with a bar under here, under the menu. We can use it, like here we can say free shipping. For orders above $50. And if you are promoting specific product, you can just come here and select the product. So when someone clicks on the link here, it will the website will take him to that product directly. So let's save our work here. So what we need here, we need to create a logo for our store before starting working here on the home page. So what I suggest here, there are many tools online that you can use for creating a logo. Famous one is Canva, and there is also, you can use Photoshop if you have it. You can use Illustrator also. For me, I use Illustrator most of the time, but sometimes I use Placeit. So what I suggest, I will go with Placeit. Let's see, I have it here. Yeah, it's already open. Okay, I have an account here. You can go with as I said before, you can go with also you can go with Canva. If you like, you can just go and search for Canva, and you can this one here, and you can create your own logo. Also, there is another option, there is another free option that you can use. Just search for Shopify logo generator. Then Shopify will give you the option here to create your own logo. Let's do it right now. Let's get started. Actually, we are let's see if we are logged. Yeah, we are logged already here. Let's say our niche is outdoor. Let's search if we have it here. They don't have outdoor actually, so let's choose this one. Okay, so what we have here, strong, yes, strong, elegant, and can select up to 3. Next. Okay, DB camping. This is the name of my store. You can add here a slogan if you want. Let's see what they have. Well, okay, online store. You can add if you want to set up your own social media like Facebook page, etc. You can select all of these options. Okay, so they give us some options that we can choose as a logo. For the demo purpose of this tutorial, I will just go and pick one of logos here, then I can go with it. You can don't see anyone has a relationship with camping, but let's choose okay, let's okay, I will go here. I will choose this one. It doesn't have any relationship, but I will go with it. So let's do this one here. You can choose the colors here. We have different colors, but this is just for the demo purpose. I will go just and download this one. I will receive this one to my email address I have here, so I will receive it soon. Now I will go and do it in my way. As I said from the beginning, I just showed you if you don't have any tools, you can use Shopify generator for logo, but I will go with this one here, logos, place it. I can use it. It's a paid, they have a paid version. So my brand is DB. You have DB camping, and then next I will select here because they don't have here outdoor, so I will select travel. Yes, and let's go. They will give me some choices, so I will choose one. We have here a different color for our store. For outdoor store, I like this color here, and I like this color. It looks like black, but it's not black. This one and this one, and the white, of course, is good for outdoor. So I will go. This one is nice one. I like it. It's original, and let's see if we can find another one here. They take time to generate the logo. Okay, let's go with this one. So this one is a nice one too. I like it. So, but I will go with this one for now, just to finish this store. Then I can go and replace it later. Okay. Okay, let's do it right now. So what we have here, we have this one. We don't need original, and we are not going to use this one here, and that's it. So let's make this small little one a little bit. So smaller, this smaller, and that's it. Okay, if you don't have an account, it will ask you for that one. I think I logged with another account. I have to log with my own account that I have. So I have to log out and come back again. Okay, so I will use the logo I received from this one. Come back. Okay, let's search for if I receive logo from them here. Okay, not yet. Sometimes it takes a while to receive the logo, but let's log in. I will log in with my account here. This one I have a paid version. And let's go, let's see if I have some drafts. Maybe I have this logo already in my drafts here. Okay, where is it here? Where is it? Okay, let's choose it. Let's do it again. Okay. Do it quickly. Travel. And let's go. Sometimes the logo itself takes a time in order to finish it, but that's how it is. Let's choose a color close to our templates. This is the one we chose before. Okay, let's wait a little bit because we did change the color, so we have to go with the new color. Okay, here we are. Here we have the logo. We can change the make color, but since we don't have much time left for the tutorial, let's do it as soon as quick as possible. Okay, so then I will download this. Now it's processing the logo, then I will download the logo. And sometimes you will download the logo, but the problem with the logo, it will be at the size, so you have to use software in order to work on the logo. So let's upload the logo and see how it looks. Okay, let's see. Oh, wow, we have a big logo here. So what I do in this case is to go to Photoshop online if you don't have Photoshop installed in your computer. So just go to this one here, to this website. It's Photopia. It is a Photoshop in the cloud, so you don't need any license or something. So let's work on it. File, open. We will open here the logo that we received, and we will try to work on it to make it smaller for our store. Okay, so here we are. Let's do it right now. Here we are. So now I can go just and export it as PNG. Let's see, we need this logo as for the width, let's see, 250. So normally it should, okay, let's do it here. For the height 100 or 30. Let's see how it looks now. Okay, let's do it again. We will upload our new logo from and see how it looks. Okay, it looks smaller, but you can still use this one Photoshop in order to have the logo that you want, the size that you are looking for. Also, you need to change the color of this dumping here. As I say, this is just for demonstration. You need to tick sometimes in order to make your own logo. As I said before, you can use Photopia as a Photoshop online. You can use here Shopify logo generator. You can use Canva also for generating your logo. Maybe Canva, you will need here a paid version in order to download your logo here, but this is how it works. So let's go and do another things here. So we have here the header. We worked on the header, so now we will work here on the slide here. So let's do it. These are the functions that came with this template, but you can add other sections if you want. You can reorder the sections here. You can take this one, for example, from here and make it between the slide and between the collection title. You can put it back if you want. You can add another section here by adding like collection list, features collection, testimonials, video if you have it. So you have different options to add. So let's start by working on the slide itself here. I will open the slide by clicking here on the slide. I have two slides here. Let's do the first one. If you have worked already on the slide within the image, most of the time I create my image by Photoshop. Sometimes I do it by Photopia online here, Photoshop online. Sometimes I use my computer, but most of the time I go with image like 1500 on 500. As for the width, 1500 pixels, and for the height 500. Then I start making my banner for here for this slide. For now I will go just with free images from Shopify, and let's see here outdoor or camping, and see how it looks here. Let's see, let's choose this picture. Yeah, this looks good. Yeah, I choose this picture here. Okay, I like it. So let's name this slide here and shelter. Okay, let's take this view all products here, and we will select the collection from here. Perfect. This is for the first slide. It will be 5 seconds, then it will rotate itself to next one. So let's do the second slide, which is this one here. Let's open it. I will choose another free image, same niche. I will go, yeah, this one is good. Yeah, packs. This one is good. Let's choose it. Select this one here. Okay, let's name it survival and navigation. And let's link it with the same collection. Okay, here we are. So let's save. It's done. Okay, so now we are going to work on this part here. Okay, so we have a collection. We'll choose I like this one to be first, tent and shelter. So select it. The second one I like to select is outdoor cooking. And the third one is, of course, it will be camp furniture. We don't have any product yet here, so I think I don't know if we select product here. I think we did add some products in camp furniture, so I will go just and check it. Let's save this one here, and I will go and check camp furniture so we can show a picture. I will just go and open it in new tab. I think we did add, yeah, this one, Eclipse camp chair. Yeah, that's the one I forget to add the collection, the category. Okay, let's go to all products, and where is it? Here it is. And we will add, of course, we forgot the collection list. So here we go. As we saved here, automatically it will come here. So let's come back to finish this part here. So what we have here, we will show here a collection, so we can add up to 3 products here. I don't think we have more than 3 products here, but what we can do here is we can add this one also to tent and shelter, so we'll see it's there as a third product. It will come back here, so we'll choose this one here, and here we have 4. Cool, that's what we need. We'll have also 1 row, so we need just this one here. Cool. So what's next? Let's add an image here. Let's choose 3 images from Shopify camping, and let's see what we have here. Yeah, this is a nice one, and we can link outdoor cooking. Outdoor cooking stuff. Yeah, this is how it looks. So this is our store. Let's see how it looks in reality. And if you choose cell phone, this is how it looks in Okay, and if we go and we choose to see how it looks our store in reality, okay, it's not too bad. We have here, yeah, we did work in for our brand, so it looks good. So let's do now the footer side. Okay, the same thing, I will come back here and I will click on footer. We have, let's go back to desktop. We have follow us. Let's do footer menu. So we have here footer menu. We can add it here. And what we can do here is to go and add here customer service. We will change this one later and make it customer service. I will add another one here, newsletter. So yeah, this is be in the now. Yeah, it's a good one. Promotion new product and say directed to your inbox. Okay, this is cool. So I will add this one here, leave it there. For followers, we can add here in the center, put it left, and then we have to go and add some social media accounts here. Since I don't have any page here, so I will add just like this one, so it will show the most. Okay, so we have, yeah, we don't need, yeah, we will add YouTube also. Cool. So now I will work on the footer menu, but I will come back to this one here. But before that, I will go and check how it looks my store. Cool. So we have here this one here, and we have this one, and we need to work in the footer menu here. I will add here contact us, etc. So let's first work on some pages here, but before start working on the pages here, I will go and before adding pages, I will go to the setting. And here I will go to legal to manage my store, and I will generate some legal stuff here for my store. I will generate refund policy. I need to change my email address later and make it the email for the store. I will need to generate privacy policy also, and terms of service, and I will need to work with shipping policy also. So let's save. So now I will go and add my pages. Under online store, click on pages, add page. Here I will add refund policy, and you will just copy and paste. Cool. Let's save. Let's add a new, create a new one, and do the same thing for privacy policy here. Copy and paste. The same thing for terms of service. And here we are. So we have 3 pages here. Now we can go and customize our menu. So we come back to navigations, then we will change this footer menu, and let's name it customer service, and delete the search here, and we'll add the 3 pages. privacy policy. We will add also another one, which is refund, and we'll add also the last one, which is terms of service. Save. Now if we come back to our store, here it is. We have 3 pages. If we click on this one, we'll see it here. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is how to add pages to your store by going here under sales channels, online store, and click on pages. Then if you want to add navigations, you have to click, or menus, you have to click on navigations here. For the domain name, of course, this is the link for your store, but you have to go and search and buy a domain name for your store. I search for the domain name first for my store, so what I need to do is to go and buy it right now. So you have 2 options: either by buying a new domain name here, by clicking here you will buy the domain name from Shopify, or you can go and use other services like this one here, NameSilo. They have cheap domain names. For example, if I do this one here, it's $9 US, and I like this NameSilo. I have most of my domain names with them because they have a cheap price. They are the cheapest in the market actually. You can just come back here, put your domain name here. If it is available, just click add, then click checkout, and that's it. They will ask you if you want all the service. Just click skip here. We don't need this one here. And here we can add here privacy policy. Privacy here, host privacy is free. That's why I like this one. So, and also that's it. Just go continue, and you need to pay for it. That's how it works. Okay, they will ask you to create a new account from here, and etc. till you finish all this stuff. Okay, as soon as you receive your own, as you buy your domain name, just come back here. If you bought your domain name from NameSilo or from GoDaddy or from anywhere else, just come back here and click connect existing domain name, then put it here, and they will ask you to go and replace. Oh, it's still available because I didn't buy it, so there you will pay $14. Or you can connect another one. Let's say I will connect this one here. This one is mine. They will ask you to go and change and click on view instructions. So you have to go and change and add an e-record in your domain name, and also you need to go and add CNAME record. So this is how it works. You have to go and add a CNAME record and point it to shopify.myshopify.com and add an e-record. Let's say I will show you how it works. Give me just let's do it here. We'll go and search for this one here. Now let's see if I have NameSilo open somewhere else. This is how it works, because if you need to connect your domain name, you have to do some configurations here. Okay, I have a domain name here. Just give me a moment so I can show you how to do that. And of course, as soon as you add the record to your domain name, you have to come back and click on verify connections. So I have a domain name here that is with Shopify. So what you have to do here is to come to Shopify, to your domain name here, if you have it in name silo, and click on the dance information. Then you have to come back here and do this one, e-record. This is IP address of Shopify. Just click here on e-record, add here like this, then post this one here, the submit. Then you will see it here at the bottom. Also you have to add this one here, Shopify, and add CNAME record and 3 W's here. So what you have to do is to come back. This is the first one. Second one, to come to CNAME here and add this one here and add 3 W's here. Then click submit. That's it. That's what you have to do. Wait for sometimes it's 30 minutes, 1 hour or 2 hours. Then come back here to your Shopify store and click verify connection, and that's it. If it is, and that's it, Shopify will verify it is connected. If it is connected, it will connect your domain name, and you will not see, if you click here, you will not see the Shopify stuff here. You will see your domain name. Okay, so next thing what we have to do. Okay, so we did talk about the old products, orders, customers, analytics. Let's talk about discounts. When you have your new product here, so we have our product here, you may give discounts to your clients, for example, to purchase a specific product from you. So in this case, you need to generate discount code. By going here to discount here, I can click here and generate a discount. Let's see, I will give the discount code I'm giving to people. It's 10% off. So let's name the discount code is 10 summer, and it will be percentage, and will give them 10% off the entire order. You can add the minimum requirement if you want, and you can add usage limits for a client, etc., and save discount code. So it's active right now. You can give here this link to your customer directly, so it will be applied to their cart at checkout point, or just give them this discount code. So when they are in the checkout here, in the checkout process here, when they click checkout directly, they will add it. Since we don't have any plan here, we still do not pick a plan, we cannot see the checkout. But in order to see the checkout, you have to select a plan from here and add your payment. Here you can choose this one or this one. I suggest that you go with this one. So with Shopify plan 29 plus taxes. This is for the fees that we are going to pay for Shopify payment if you have Shopify payment. But if you don't have it, and you add Stripe or PayPal, so you will add you need to pay 2% for fees. So if you choose this one, you need to add payments in order to activate your Shopify store. You can go with the 30 days, you can go with PayPal if you want, or you can go with credit card. Okay, as soon as you activate your account, you are ready to go. You are ready to make your first purchase. So let's go, and I will go with, and now I talk about apps. Here the apps is a complementary service to your shop here. If you are selling physical or physical products or service product, just come and click on visit Shopify App Store. Then you can add many products here from the Shopify store app services. Just come here and search whatever you want, and you can add it here. there are many free applications. You just need to go and search if it is free. For example, this is free. This is free, but there are plans that you have to go and pay for them. So this one here, let's see, this is a free app, and this app is working. You can just come here and read description of the app. It's media gallery. So if you want to add media gallery to your store, this is an app. This app is doing that function. What you have to do if you want to add this one, just click add app, and automatically it will add it to your store. Since this app is free app, so we don't need to pick up a plan since we still to activate our store. But if there is a paid app, if you still do not add payment option to your store to pay for your subscription to Shopify, in this case they will ask you to go and do it. So first thing first, this is for the apps. We talked about navigation, domains, but we talked about pages, and now we are going to go to preferences. Here it is, you can add your shop title here. So in the home page, when you are in the home page, you will see the title of your shop. Here you can add your title shop here: outdoor and camping services, for example. And you can add your description here. As soon as you saved here, you will see this one changed here at the title. Yeah, this is how it looks. It changed. So here you can add an image for your social sharing preview if you want to share your store in social media. Here you can add your Google Analytics accounts, and of course Facebook pixel in order to make Facebook advertising. So this is the right place to put your Facebook. You need just to take your Facebook ID, pixel ID, and paste it here. And this is a password for your store. Since we still do not activate our store, we cannot disable the password function here. And then you need just to save it here, and that's it. That's it for the sales channels here. Next thing is to go to the setting. In the settings function, we have general here. Here you can add all your information about your store, information about your customer service. First thing, after you buy your domain name, you need to go and buy an email address, because you do not have an email address here with Shopify cloud hosting. You need to go and buy a separate domain email address service. I suggest there is a service here, I know it's Blue Host Media. They have a cheap email addresses. You can go with them. Just put the add your website here. Go just to, where is it here, email and business email. They have a cheap service. They have $1.50 card, but you can change your currency here. Let's see, USD. They have 112 cent for 1 month. You can go 1 month. This is how, if you choose 3 months, it will be $3. If you choose 6 months, $6, etc. They give you 5 gigabytes for your email. You need just one email address for your shop. As soon as you have your, of course, your own domain name, you just come to this website and go with email address. Let's come back here. You need to replace this one for customer service, because and you need to put the name of your store again here. You choose the industry here from here. If you don't find it, just choose other. Here is the information. You can put your legal name here if you have a company or something, or your first name here. Then this information is okay. This is okay. This is for the orders. If you want to specify to customize your order number. For example, the store name is DB, so I would like to start the order number with DB then numbers, so the customer will see the order number like this. So the store currency, let's say it's US dollars, so let's save it. Here we're done with general. So next thing is to go with here let's explain this one, plan and permissions. Here if you have someone else working for you, you can just come back here. We have up to 2 staff accounts. You can invite him and give him permission in order to work for you. For example, you can give him the permission just to see the orders, to see just to add the products, or just to see the products here, to see the customers and domain names. Then you can send him the invitation. This email will receive an invitation as soon as he click here to join me in my Shopify store. Of course, you can give him full option. I mean, to give him full permission to work on your store by selecting this one here. As I said, in the first plan of Shopify, you have 29. If you pay 29, so you have 2 accounts for your staff. If you pay $70 amount, you will have up to, I think, to 5 or staff accounts. Okay, that's it. Let's do it. Store language is English here, but you can, if you want to change the language of your store, just come back here and change it to French or whatever you want. This is the billing area in which you can download your invoices, and you can add payments in order to pay Shopify here, or change payments. The legal here section, we saw it before. Here where we changed, or when we generate our refund policy. Okay, for the locations here, when you have your we have here just 1 location, but we can add up to 4 locations for our store. If we have 4 different addresses, 4 different warehouses to fulfill our products, so we can go and add more locations. Files, if you want to upload some images to your store, this is the exact area where you can upload more images if you want. Gift cards, if you want to generate some gift cards for your clients. Sales channels are place if you want to add, like here, Google Shopping, just click here and search for Google Shopping, or point of sale if you are selling in your store physical products, so you can just click here, add point of sales. If you want to sell on Instagram, just add Instagram here, Amazon, eBay, Google Shopping, Facebook, Pinterest, etc. So we talked about general payment, so we will come back to the payment. Check out if you want to here. If you want to customize the checkout process, here we have accounts are disabled. Customers will only be able to check out as a guest. Let's choose the second one, because accounts are optional, so the customer can check out as a guest or can create his own accounts. We require first name, last name, the company. If it is a company, you can use a company name. Let's do it. So the customer is checking out with the shipping address as the billing address. Okay, auto completion is working. This is how it works. So okay, additional script here for Shopify. You may need to add here the scripts here when you're for Shopify or Google Shopping or Google Advertising or Bing Advertising. You may need to add here your scripts, your final scripts to record a purchase, and then you need to save. Okay, let's come back to the last section, which is before the last section, shipping and delivery. This is a very important one here, because you need to go and manage, create your shipping here for your product. Here, click on manage rates, and you have to go and create shipping for each country that you are targeting. For here, for Canada, we have this one expedited, and this is the prices. For US, I have this one, but you can go and of course go and change all these rates here by edit right here, and start by editing the pricing and minimum price, etc. You have to play on this area here. As soon as you finish, that's it will work. Then you have to come back and go to the final step, which is activating the payment option on your store. So if someone is visiting your store and he is in the checkout process, he can go and add his credit card and do the payment, which is here, payments. Here we can manage our store payment providers. Since we are in Canada, I have the right to go and complete here, add Shopify payments. For each sale I make, I have to pay 2.4 plus 30 cents here in Canada, but in United States I will pay more, which is I think 3.5. Okay, as soon as I complete here account setup, I will go and add it. For the PayPal, I can add my PayPal here, then I can accept payments from PayPal. If you don't want to add PayPal and want to add other payment providers, you have to click here, choose third-party payment provider. They have checkout, they have authorize, and they have different payment providers here. But pay attention, of course, to transaction fees. They have some transaction fees for each payment. For example, if you choose to check out here, you are going to pay 3.5 to the checkout, and also 2% to PayPal. So the total will be like 5.5% for the whole process. So I think I did cover everything here from the beginning till the end. As soon as you received your on your order, you will see it here. Abandoned checkout. This is the place where some of your clients will land at the end of the checkout, but they do not finish the checkout. So you will see their emails here or phone numbers. Customers, as soon as you have it, you will see your customers here. You can add your own customer if you have it locally. Analytic, here you can see everything about your store. Reports also is a good way to see where are you exactly in the markets. You can go from time to time and check out the reports. I think that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I hope you benefit from my tutorial for today.